Welcome to the Basics of Writing Fiction course. Hi, I'm Sinmisola Ogunyinka, your go-to fiction writing coach and the Chief Writing Officer at Pleasant Writers Guild, the creative powerhouse of Pleasant Streams LLC. I'm a published author, producer, game mistress, and entrepreneur with more than 20 years of teaching, writing, and coaching, and I'm here to help you unlock your full creative potential. Whether you're a new writer, a storytelling enthusiast, or someone dreaming of writing a best-selling novel, you're in the right place. In this free online fiction writing course, you'll learn the fundamentals of storytelling, how to build compelling characters, plot powerful narratives, and write stories that hook readers from the first sentence. Let's write unforgettable stories together. I'll be your coach, mentor, teacher, and biggest cheerleader. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and dive into the basics of writing fiction with me. In Module 1, which is titled Find Your Voice, welcome to the first step on your fiction writing journey. In this module, we're diving deep into the exciting world of fiction genres, the foundation of every great story, from mystery, romance, and comedy to fantasy, thriller, sci-fi, and so many more. There are over 100 genres and subgenres for you to explore. Each genre has its own style, structure, and reader expectations. By learning about them, you'll begin to understand what kinds of stories resonate most with you. Knowing your favorite genre is a powerful tool. It helps you find your narrative voice, shape your ideas, and write with authenticity and confidence. In this module, you'll explore what draws you to certain genres and how those preferences reflect your natural storytelling style. We'll also encourage you to experiment. Try writing in different genres, blending two or more, or stepping out of your comfort zone. Through exploration, you'll start to discover the voice that makes your writing stand out. Your voice is your superpower as a writer. It's what makes your stories uniquely yours. And finding it starts right here. Let's unlock your creative identity and begin shaping your path as a fiction writer. Then we go to Module 2, which is Fiction 101, the building blocks of storytelling. Fiction 101, the heart of your storytelling foundation. In this module, we'll answer a very important question. What is fiction? We'll break it down in simple terms. Fiction is more than just made-up stories. It's the art of creating imaginary worlds, relatable characters, and emotionally rich experiences that connect deeply with readers. We'll explore the different types of fiction. You have short stories for quick, powerful tales. You have novellas that strike a balance between short and long form. Then we have novels, the classic long form storytelling format, and more. You will be amazed, including flash fiction and serialized stories. Whether you're writing a quick emotional punch or a sweeping epic, this module gives you the essential tools to understand how fiction works and how to make it work for you. By the end, you'll not only recognize these elements in your favorite books, but you'll also know how to use them in your own writing. Then in Module 3, which is the core techniques of powerful fiction. In this module, we dive into the essential techniques that separate average stories from unforgettable ones. These are the tools every writer needs in their storytelling arsenal. You'll learn how to show versus tell, one of the golden rules of fiction. We'll explore how to let your readers feel the story by showing actions, emotions, and imagery instead of just telling them what's happening. Then we'll learn how to build tension, whether you're writing a slow-burning romance or a fast-paced thriller. Tension is what keeps your readers turning the page. Learn how to raise stakes, create suspense, and maintain narrative momentum. Then we will learn to write with purpose. Every sentence in fiction should serve a purpose. We'll break down how to write with clarity, intention, and direction, eliminating fluff while enhancing meaning. And of course, we need to create emotional impact. Great stories make us feel something. You will discover techniques to create characters and scenes that evoke real emotion like joy, sorrow, fear, triumph, and all of that in your readers. By mastering these fundamentals, you will take your storytelling from good to great. This is where your writing begins to leave a mark. And in Module 4, we have Introduction to Plotting, crafting the heart of your story. Plot is the engine that drives your fiction. Without a strong plot, your story can feel like a flat news report, just facts, no life. In this module, we'll uncover how to bring your story to life with structure, flow, and purpose. You'll learn the basics of plot structure, how to shape your story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. We'll look at how each part plays a critical role in delivering a powerful and satisfying narrative. We'll also explore popular and proven plot structures like the 3-act structure, hero's journey, and Freytag's pyramid, and help you choose the one that fits your story best. At the center of every great plot is conflict, the driving force that challenges your characters and keeps your readers turning the pages. You'll understand the different types of conflict and how to use them to raise stakes and build tension. By the end of this module, you'll know how to shape your story from idea to execution with a plot that hooks readers and keeps them engaged to the very last page. And then we have Module 5, which is Introduction to Characterization, creating believable and unforgettable characters. Great stories live and breathe through their characters. And in this module, we'll show you how to bring yours to life. You'll learn how to create authentic, multi-dimensional characters that readers will remember long after they finish your story. From flawed heroes to compelling villains and all the nuanced side characters in between, this is where your cast comes alive. We'll explore how to define clear character goals and motivations that drive the story forward. We'll craft strong protagonists your readers can root for, and design equally strong antagonists that challenge and elevate your hero. We will build effective supporting characters that add depth and texture to your narrative. You'll also learn the value of researching backgrounds, researching names, cultures, and psychology to make your characters not only believable but relatable. You'll have the tools to develop a rich character arc, create realistic voices for your characters, and shape characters that feel real enough to step off the page. And the last but not the least, Module 6, we are looking at Introduction to Dialogue and Point of View. Dialogue and point of view give your story a voice. The final module of the Basics of Writing Fiction course is a powerful one. Here, we'll focus on two critical storytelling tools, which are dialogue and point of view, otherwise known as POV. First, we'll dive into writing realistic, engaging dialogue. Dialogue breathes life into your characters and helps your readers connect emotionally to your story. You'll learn how to use it not just for conversation, but as a powerful tool to reveal character personalities, build relationships, advance the plot, and add tension and subtext. Next, we'll explore POV, how your story is told. From first person, second person, third person limited to third person omniscient, you'll gain a clear understanding of each and when to use them. We'll also unpack deep point of view, a powerful technique that brings readers closer to your character's inner world, making every thought and feeling come alive on the page. By the end of this module, you will know how to control the voice and perspective of your story with confidence and clarity. And that's it on the overview of our Basics of Writing Fiction course. Thank you for your interest in writing. You now have access to get equipped with the tools to begin your journey as a powerful, purposeful storyteller. If you've made it this far, it means you are serious about telling powerful stories, and I couldn't be more proud of you. Now, let's take the next step together. Fill out the course application form. The link is in the description to unlock more writing opportunities, mentorship, and exclusive content designed just for you. Remember, this course is free. If this course overview inspired you, then don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, comment below. I'd love to hear what your writing goals are. Share this video with someone who dreams of writing fiction. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another creative nudge. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are first to know when new videos drop. Your story matters, your voice is powerful, and the world is waiting to read what only you can write. Let's keep growing together.